Hi there, it's Galen, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. Today I have another foiled card for you, and this time I'm using negative foiling. And that is foiling using a negative foil sheet from a previous project, and that project was made using a toner card front by Unity. So I will show you in the video the sample of the card I made using the original foil sheet. But I'm starting by stamping and pre-stamping and fussy cutting and coloring a little cake stamped image, and that stamp is called Include Yourself in Beauty. I also have decofoil in colors of blue, azul, and gold. I'm using the floral background decofoil toner card front by that Unity makes, and I'm using a regular black decofoil toner sheet. And in that toner sheet, there's a great parchment paper carrier sheet that you can use and reuse. So the blue is the leftover from this card that I made using that toner sheet and blue foil. And so I have that negative sheet there that I'm going to use to create another card with. And also along with that, I'm going to add gold to that negative space. So this is the black pre-cut toner sheet. I just cut it a little bit to match the size of the scrap excess negative foil sheet. I'm going to sandwich the two of those pieces right at the fold line of this carrier sheet of parchment paper. I'm liking the carrier sheets that come with the toner sheets. This is my preheated laminator. It's a Your Story laminator and bookbinder in one. In this case, I'm using it for a laminator, as a laminator. So there you go. That's the sandwich inside there. And I insert it with the fold line going in first into the laminator. And then I'm just going to speed up the camera. But that goes through real slowly through the laminator, and it heats it. And it will make this blue foil piece completely but just be part of that toner sheet there. And you can run that through a paper trimmer if you want to. So you peel off that previous foil sheet, and because all of that foil came off onto the toner sheet, there's that film that's clear on the top there that you just disregard or throw it away. So here you have a piece with blue foil with a black background. Now for those black flowers that are there, I'm going to cover it with another piece of foil in gold, and that black flower area is going to turn gold, and so you'll have two gold foiling colors in this strip of toner sheet. So there you go. You sandwich the gold foil on top of the blue toner foiled sheet. And so you insert that with the carrier sheet and right through the laminator, right at the crease line. And so I sped that up a little bit. And these carrier sheets are great because they're thin enough that the heat goes right through, and it still makes a nice impression. I like it. So I might use those more often. And so this carrier sheet can be reused, and I just put it right back into that toner sheet package to use again later. So you peel off that gold foil very gently, and you see the gold attached to everywhere there was black. So now you don't see any black, but you can trim this. I decided to trim what I wanted, and here you go. You have another negative that can be used later on a different card or a project in the gold. So now I'm just trimming where I want the sections of that design to be used again. So I'm going to use that similar to the way I used it on the first card, but it has sort of a double foiling using negatives. And I just I made a little tag with a sentiment, tied that with gold cording, and I added that pre-colored cake. I colored that with Copics. And there you go. It's so fun. It's not really hard to do. You just need a real hot laminator. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you take a moment to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.